So there are a list of direct and long-term consequences of contaminants. So for particles specifically, those particles can kind of create deposits in mechanical friction. And for example, that could look like particles that are get deposited between the cylinder wall and piston seal. And then there's water for contaminants, which can lead to the corrosion of parts, and that can generate rust. And then rust will cause mechanical damage or block small flow across sections. And finally, the last contaminant is oil, which can lead to particle clumping and can also block cross sections. And then oil can also cause elastomers in the seals to swell up. So the long-term consequences of that is that there's higher maintenance costs associated with it, as well as operating malfunctions and reduced service life. And lastly, higher energy costs due to those leakages.